On the other side of the rivalry, looking back at last season's loss at Toledo, Falcons enter the battle of I-75 with a chip on their shoulder. Last November, UT held BG to 266 yards of total offense, while Toledo exploded for 524 of their own. BG understands the importance of Wednesday, especially when it comes to continuing to build the program.
You're always measured on the previous game, and we went up to Toledo and did not play well, and they played very well, and so, you know, you got to have a chip on your shoulder from that loss, and we're going to come out and we're going to work really hard this week, try to move the program and compete against our rival.
We can't take days off because this is a very important game, and just not just for us, but just, you know, for the alumni and the past players that, you know, played in this game is very important to everybody, and of course the BG community.